All right. So, battery's dead? Dead. So, what would you say we got out of that? Almost 30 minutes?
Oh, yeah, it had to be.
Upwards of 20 to 30 minutes. Quite a bit. Unexpectedly long.
Yeah, I kept waiting for the stupid thing to die.
Yeah. So what we got? And there was all this. Let's see what the... Oh, we got a little bit of minge up the cyclone. Be more like here. And then the filter got some stuff. I don't know why the camera's not showing a whole lot of light right now, even though the room's actually pretty bright. No, nothing that we can see got through the filter. So it's time to empty it. I can only think of one way to empty it. A vacuum like this. With the central vacuum. Well, I guess I don't need to wash that filter every use like they suggest. So we're going to top empty it. And we're going to
Suck them slow.
suck out as much of that as we can. So that my bin is clean and nice. Because why would I store dust in a machine like this if I have a central vac? Shows how much force the central vac has. Might just be reasons to buy a central vac.
Yes, lots of water lift and airflow.
So one thing I keep struggling with is putting this on and taking this off. I imagine if I put some sort of silicone or polish on there, it will be easier. But I just have been struggling with this, and I'm a grown-ass man. Now, there's been a couple other questions we've wanted to know about this thing. The first was, what happens when we do this? Well, yeah, you saw a little bit of dust pull out of there. And the other thing was very peculiar. Put the camera down. Right here, you can see that has gotten quite dusty. So, oh, my central vac just plugs right in there. So that cleaned it out a little bit. Do you have the other battery? Yeah, yes. Alright, here's the good battery.
One I didn't want to get.
I guess we're just more curious about what happens if we use the central vac to clean this or run this. I did notice that this just kind of fitted right in here, as if it was supposed to fit in there. So we'll have to do some experiments with that later. Again, this is such a peculiar tool system that they later would correct. It goes in here. So you hear the click. Wait for the click. Can you forget the click in? Or you
put it in a slight angle.
Oh, you put a slight angle. Is that the key to this?
Yes.
Wow, alright. So I am just too retarded to use the average machine, apparently.
It's not the easiest design.
Yeah, that's what we're futzing with, is this thing right here. So yeah, my first impressions is it exceeded my expectations. I picked up cat litter alright. I've tested it with the particle counter before. It filters alright. And the price is right on these right now. You can get these super cheap. my camera is too big for my tripod. So yeah, as always, please subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I want to thank all the Patreon supporters who continue to support the project.